Hello, boys. Welcome back for a recap and a reflection of our trading session today. We had an amazing trading session. I wouldn't lie. The market did not do everything we anticipated, but we executed perfectly. Okay. So our reflection is more like, what did we do good? What we did good is we did not chase the market. We waited for the market to come to us, and we waited for the market to align with our strategy, and that happened. And when it happened, we executed the strategy. Okay. The second thing that happened is that when price was going in our direction, we were moving our stop loss along the way, because trade management is important, right? If we get in a trade and the market is going in our direction, 10, 30, 100 points or 10 pips in our direction, it would be stupid for us to leave the market to come back and take us back at a loss. So when the market was heading in our direction, 10 pips away from our entry, we remove our stop loss and put it at our entry. Then, unfortunately, the market came back and took us out. But I think that is a good thing, because it doesn't make sense for us to be in profit, right? And in as much as we are waiting for the market to go to our take profit, our TP, if the market does not go there, but it is not the right thing for it to come back and make us to have a losing day on a trade that was supposed to be a winning day if the market had gone to our TP. So that's another thing we did well. So overall, I think we did amazingly well in terms of our storytelling, because one of the skills that we are developing while we are streaming live, right, is the ability to tell stories while we are reading out the chart. I felt like we were perfectly good in our ability to tell stories using this in this market. So let's walk through some real life scenario. Okay, so this is exactly what happened when the market opened, right? It went down 9 pips to the downside. After it went down, it came back and created this range, and it traded around this area for a minute. Once that happened, it created a breakout. And to me, this was considered a manipulation, right? Because once this happened, there's a couple of things the market is trying to do. They're trying to chase the stop loss of the sell traders who bought at this level, and also they are trying to induce the uptrend or the buyers. That is what happened. It went up. Looking at this, the average mind would think, okay, yeah, price has changed direction. We are going for an uptrend. But that was not what happened. Price came back down, as a trap to hunt stop loss, then eventually went up. And even as it was going up, it sounded like an uptrend, but we believe it was not an uptrend. And we got in this entry. We waited for the market to come back and test this gap, and that was our entry, and that was beautifully executed. Beautiful executed. So overall, we did well. We are proud of our performance. We did well, and we did well. Yep. So yeah, that's what happened. We went according to the plan. We did well. The market went back all the way down as if it was going our direction, and eventually went up. And if you ask me, that was beautifully executed. It was an amazing day. We stick to our plan. And you have to understand, guys, sometimes a break-even day is a winning day. It's better to lose a day than to lose money. We are in for capital preservation. We are not in for get rich quick scheme. So as long as we can preserve capital by managing our trade effectively, that's a win. So overall, I would say this is a win. The lessons we can grab from this is that pay attention to what the market is telling you and look at the plot twist when the story changes. Be quick to change your mind when the market invalidates your idea. Don't click to an idea. Let the market tell you when to change, when not to change. And if you are convinced in your conviction and your logic is backed by data, stick to it and manage your trade well. And if you do that, that is considered a win. And that is it for today, guys. Bye-bye for now, and see you guys tomorrow, same time, right here.